One, this is Indu. I hope you are doing well. Today is day 18 of our top 100 .NET question series. So let's start. And today question is what is the anti-framework core? It's a very important question in .NET interview and it's a basic question. So anti-framework core is a modern, lightweight, open source object relation mapper for .NET application. In simple word, it's a bridge between your application and database. And EF Core allows you to work with the database using C# objects instead of writing a row SQL queries. For example, you can see here. If we don't use EF Core, so you need to write like that way row SQL queries. Select star from employees where ID is equal to 1. But with the help of EF Core, you can write like that way context dot employees first default and find. It's a less SQL cleaner code and faster develop. You can easily understand this code rather than writing this SQL queries. So how EF core is work? Firstly, for example, you can create a C# object. So you can create a class. For example, you can create a class product, and after that EF core maps them with the database table. And for example, your database table is a project, and here we can use a link queue. This is the link queue queries, so we can use a link queue queries. So what it will be do, EF core converts the link queue queries automatically to SQL, because in database SQL queries will be executes, and in the result when come back it again it will be convert to a C# objects. And I can show you here. For example, this is, you can see here, everyone, everywhere, every class we can put here. For example, this is a school class. Go to definition, this is a school class, and we can put here, this is its database table. Schools is the database table, and here class is the school. And here we need, if we want to use anti framework core, so we need to install one package, that is the Microsoft anti framework core. You can see here now it's giving error, so we need to add here this namespace Microsoft anti framework core. And you need to install this package from the tools. For example, if you go here, there is a installed package is Microsoft, first one, sorry, not this one. So this one, you need to install this package Microsoft dot anti framework core. And every table we can put here. You can see here every table. For example, employee table, this is a class, and this is our database table. So every time we can add a, like that way, every table, like we have a multiple tables, so every table we can put here in the inside the DB set. And to use the with the we have a two main classes. First one is a DB context, that we can get from this namespace with the help of anti framework, or if I remove it will be giving error. So to using this, we need to install this anti-framework core. So this is the basic and very important question. So simply you can say, we can say anti-framework core is a, like a bridge between your application and database. It will make a simple bridge, and in which directly you don't write it directly SQL queries. You can communicate with the help of C# objects rather than writing a row SQL queries. That is a very difficult to manage, and it's very easy to understand and easy to write with the help of link queue. So here you can do a less SQL queries, so your code is very cleaner and easy to maintain and easy to test. So I hope this video will be helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.